So you already know we got to be Texas repping out here. Got the Texas J Blends tee, got the Jordan shorts. But you know about those ones right there. You know, we had to we had to rock some heat while we here. So let's get to San Fran.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
I gotta tell y'all, I'm loving this Cali weather. It's beautiful out here with my boy copping us in the GSA vehicle. My boy right here, Finesse, with the hospitality, man. This man right here has been nothing but hospitable for us for this journey. All love, man. Great dude. Great heart, great spirit, great dude. We on the road 4 hours later.
All the other guys' fault.
All the other guys. It wasn't the guy it wasn't the guy in the Ravens jersey's fault at all.
I swear, it was the lights. They
Oh,
were red,
man.
like this.
Hey, but we're gonna have a good time in Frisco, first time. But shout out to everybody in the whip. Been nothing but hospitable. Appreciate y'all.
Charm on the beat.
We got an uppity shop right here. They probably charge like $200 for a cut. Does Deluxe work there? Dope. It's a dope view right here.
Got you, bro. Slow motion.
Slow motion, slow roll. That's San Francisco for real.
I don't care. Bro needs a video.
Is it a pretty live aquarium?
This way? Yeah. Cool. Straight in, straight in. This is not bad. Don't wait.
Got some scrimps. Everybody grubbing on seafood. How is it? How is it?
I give about like an 8.
Yeah, 8 out of 10. That's pretty up there. Okay. We're out here about to take the sunset cruise. I think we might have got scammed though. The little clerk lady was trying to get my boy for some funds, quote unquote.
She was trying to wire me some money or something. She need my bank information. You gotta watch them. They scandalous out here in Big City, man.
He thought she wanted a sugar baby, but that wasn't what it was. But we got Luis going to go verify, make sure we got the right tickets so we can get on the boat and see Alcatraz, the Bay Bridge, all that stuff. But we're gonna get to it. It's nice right here in the sun, but when we get in the shade, it's a little cold. But it's nice out here though. Nice little breeze. You can smell the fish. Like I said, it's chilly. My wife had to get some Golden State socks out here. Gotta get them for my daughter. My daughter's a Golden State fan, so got the boats out here. Homeboy right here is the one that let us know that we possibly might have got. Hope that's not the case. So we didn't get got. My boy Luis got the info.
Pier 41.
We thought we got juiced. I'm used to being in big cities and getting scammed. I got scammed in Dubai, so that's another story for another time though. So they scammed us. After all, they bought they gave us the wrong tickets, but we got our refund and we got hooked up with a free tour.
Hey, a win's a win.
Win's a win.
A win's a win.
You don't what, Luis?
What?
You don't what?
What?
You don't lose?
I don't lose, man. All we do is win. Even if it is second, we take it.
So we're gonna take this city tour on the bus. Second place. I'm gonna be mad about it too. I'm gonna call the owner. I'm gonna call the organizer and fuss.
I don't feel like they're
Hey, this is a next level tour right here. We on the freeway in a double-decker bus. Yo. The most interactive tour ever. We're on the freeway. The most beautiful view ever. Not the back of Andy's head, but the bridge over there in the city. Alright, so we got off the bus, got a little pit stop, and let's show y'all the view. There's the view. It was worth missing the boat. But on some real spill, this view right here is immaculate. Look at that view, look at that view. So if y'all are ever in San Francisco, you need her as your bus driver for big bus tours. Right here, Erica, right there. Erica from New York.
By way of New York, but I'm in Frisco right now.
She's holding it down out here with the tours. Whipping that bus like a coupe. Like a coupe. We on the top of the bridge now on the way back. I don't even think y'all can hear me. Tour is over. Time for some souvenir shopping.
Souvenir shopping, that is fun.
The bus driver subscribed to the channel. That's what's up. Shout out to her. Shout out to Erica from the NYC. Y'all make sure y'all go leave her a review on Yelp. Nothing but 5 stars, y'all.
NYC, holding it down in the SFC.
So it's a little dark, but we made it out here to a scenic overlook at the Golden Gate Bridge out here. Let me turn the camera around and show y'all. There's the view. Beautiful. You can see the city up here behind the fog out here on this side. It's pretty. We got that long TSA line, getting on the plane now. Made it to the gate with like 5 minutes to spare, but we're on our way to Vegas, then back home. You know the motto, just win, baby. The Raider Image official team store. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm in Raider heaven. That Raider store was super dope. Had to cop something. I'm gonna show y'all in a bit here on the vlog. But you can see here we're in Vegas, so we gotta rock the tank tee, dropping Ryan Garcia. Yeah, about to get some breakfast here. We're at a Mexican restaurant and grub and get back to the kids. Can't wait to see my kids. Been watching videos of my daughter and really miss them little people. So we'll see them soon. I told y'all we had to cop a shirt, so not a shirt. I told y'all we had to cop a jersey, so here's the jersey. You know, we had to go with the Max Crosby defensive powerhouse, but yeah, I can't wait to rock it this season. And now we are gonna finish editing this vlog here. We got footage from the first day and then also yesterday when we were in San Francisco. So I'm gonna get to this editing and try to get this uploaded this week. We're on the plane right now. We are leaving Las Vegas back to Amarillo, and look who I ran into right here.
What's up, guys? With the best barber.
One of my clients right here. We put him in a barber tutorial not too long ago, and now we're on the same flight from Vegas to Amarillo.
And Destiny, sit next to each other, man.
Destiny. And I have one of my other clients was here in Vegas too, and y'all were here for EDC.
Oh yeah, EDC. EDC was lit. Go next year. Next year.
Yeah, but we're gonna get to Amarillo, get back to the grind, get back to the shop, and yeah, I can't wait to see my kids.
Reality, man.
Reality check. Vacation can't last forever, unfortunately. We made it back to Texas. Good old Texas. Good to be home.
Time to sleep.
Time to sleep. I know that boy's tired from EDC.
Tired, bro. No sleep at all.
We just got all the kids from my mom's. What are we eating, Kai?
Chick-fil-A.
Yep, that's what he requested. But huge shout out to my mom and my dad for sacrificing their time and taking care of the grandkids and just being there to support me as I'm over there in another state. I'm truly thankful for that. I'm truly thankful to Legacy Luis for bringing me out. Everybody that was over there just showing a lot of hospitality. I truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. Everybody that competed, congrats to y'all. Congrats to the winners. All the judges did the thing too. And just an overall great experience in California, but it's good to be back in Texas. It's good to be back home. I missed it. I miss Texas. I missed my house. I miss my bed. So we're gonna get back to the daily grind, the daily routine. I'm all booked up this week, thankfully. It's just been a blessed year so far, and the blessings are just gonna continue. Make sure y'all go follow Legacy Luis 22. Go follow Cuts by Izzy _. Go follow Finesse Blends _730. Those three right there showed mad love to me, and I truly appreciate them. Make sure you go follow them on IG. But until next time, if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on your post notifications. Until next time, God bless.